Later I moved to Nizam College, and then I came to the department. Only from that onwards, I know him, Professor L. Anand Babu. But of course, every time like this function, every conference, we always meet. But as a person in the department, we had 4 years with him. The association 4 years is very, very friendly, a very simple person, a very soft-spoken, and he always high thinking. He always thinks something I should contribute to the department. And he has contributed a lot to the department. And that shows how he is showing what is feelings, and how he is having an idea, and what he should contribute to the department. He has done a lot, and he always a positive thinking towards the department. As a chairman, he has taken charge when I relieved as chairman from the department as chairman of mathematics in the year 2010 of January, 2011 January, and from that day onwards till today, he is not having any pending of files, and even syllabus, curriculum, as well as whoever completes a research for his pre-submission viva and final submission and final viva also, he always for the students to complete for that, then the students may join in somewhere else. So that is the one example in him for the students' benefit point of view. As a chairman association, if at all I am the head of the department, if there is any difference from my side, from my colleague's side, if there is any that, please excuse if anything in you, because I am also having some emotion in that. A person like him losing in the department, definitely I will have problem for running the department. A senior, gold is gold, how Professor Seshagiri Rao spoke. He is that person. So Seshagiri Rao, our student, is also like that. So therefore, always Professor L. Anand Babu is always friendly move with the students as well as his colleagues. Finally, I wish his best retirement life. Of course, everybody asks how much you earned during your service, what assets you are earned in your service. But everybody asks, what is your children? What about your children? They are the diamonds in his family. One is his son. He is very, very good in his education. About daughter, is very intelligent. She is very intelligent in her field. So that is the only greatness in you, because you are always positive towards the public, towards the teaching, towards the students. That is only we will have, and we won't get any assets, or we won't get any money with us. It is only one you will get it, what children are you grown, how they grown, what discipline you made, and they are very disciplined, and they are very affectionate towards their family. I observed it's a close association. So finally, I wish Professor L. Anand Babu for his future endeavors, and pray the God that he be given very good strength of health to maintain whatever he maintained till today, to continue like that. I wish you once again, sir, and I pray the God to all the family members very good, happy and prosperous and best wishes with their future. And again, once again, I am very much thankful to the organizing committee, particularly his students came forward. Sir, we want to do some sort of seminar on behalf of our Guru. really I was appreciated them. Immediately I accepted, and we all the Department of Mathematics faculty and student friends and joined, and really we are very happy today. This program made very successful. Thankful once again for the organizing committee for giving this opportunity. Once again, I am very much thankful to the organizing committee. Thank you very much. Next, in turn, introduction of Professor L. Anand Babu by his student Dr. Raj Reddy, and there followed our felicitation. Thank you very much.
Respected dignitaries on the dais, I want to introduce about him. He is born to the great parents L. Pandurangacharilu Ramabai, born at Secunderabad, and having the family of 5 members, 4 brothers and 1 sister. So, all the 3 brothers, they are well placed. One brother, I know that because I am associated with him last 15 years. I was student of him at bachelor degree level. I am also continuing. I also did my PhD under him and still continuing even after my completion of PhD. My association with him. Then afterwards, he went to his native place. Class 1 to class 4, he studied at Poddutur, Shankarpalli. It is a very small village. I think all of you know. Today it is a famous village because this high-tech city, it is near to very high-tech city, Shankarpalli means, all of you know. He studied up to 4th class, ZPHS Podduturu. Then 5th he went to nearby village, that is called Maharajpet. Beside Shankarpalli there is a Maharajpet village is there. This is nearby CBIT. Then 6th to 10th he studied Gout High School, Sultan Bazar in Hyderabad itself. Then 11th class ZPHS again at Shankarpalli. Then PUC at SAP College Vikarabad. Then BSc at SAP College Vikarabad. MSc he did at Usman University in the year of 1977. PhD under well-known Guru Sheshagiri Rao sir. Under his guidance, he completed his PhD in the year of 1985. Later, he joined in Engineering College as well as PG College, Saifabad, as a part-time basis. Later, he regularized in the year of 1982. I think 1982 to 1985, he rendered his service at AV College. During that time, I was student of him. We were actually, our classmates supposed to come here because of some urgent work. They didn't come here. So some of them had to come. Still I am waiting for them. Then 1985 to 89, he worked at Nizam College. This is affiliated college of Usman University. Then 1989 to 2011 till today, his services are rendering in the Department of Maths. 1978 to 80, he got fellowship, that is called JRF under UGC project. So under his guidance, he completed 2 UGC projects, 2 DST projects during the period of 1992 to 97, and also he wrote 2 books during the period between 1997 to 2002, and he published 25 papers in national and international papers. And PhD, under him there are 4 students completed already PhD, and 5 students they are working under him, and MPhil 5 students already completed, and 1 student is continuing under his guidance. during that all the students they have taken up the work. The research specialization is potential field and fluid dynamics, numerical techniques, that is finite difference and finite element methods. Then come to that, he is associated with other universities like a board of studies member and another as examiner, as a project supervisor like that. He a member of the board of studies chairman in applied maths for Andhra University, Visakhapatnam, and chairman of board of studies in mathematics, OU Usman University, Hyderabad. He is also member in Andhra Pradesh Higher Education, framing the syllabus for higher studies. He is also member for Board of Studies of Computer Science. Presently, he is the president of Andhra Pradesh Society for Mathematical Sciences till today. So this annual conference is going to be conducted in the month of December 7th. So likely, Sir will going to be deliver that lecture and all those things. He will take up that work. So before that, I will request the head of the department. I want to speak about Sir because my association with the Sir. So my association with the Sir already just now I told you that during the period of my graduation till today, that means nearly that is a 20 years of association with him. I never saw him angry in his face. I never saw him any. I think he don't have any enemy nearby or any in the department or outside the department. We can call it Ajata Shatru. So when we are in AV college, when we are moving around our friends or here and there, I am seeing observing. I think nobody is enemy for him because I feel it is Ajata Shatru. Second thing is my experience with him. So all of you, my colleagues are here because when we are working in engineering college, a private engineering college, lot of difficulty to get the leave and come over to here and do some work. It's a very difficult. Even granting the CLs also sometimes very difficult. So in those days, Sir is given very much freedom to me, even after coming over from the college when 5 p.m., 6 p.m. sometimes, Sir is allowed to me come to his house, and Sir and myself worked hard even from nearly up to 11 o'clock, nearly 6 months. At that time, I saw that Sir's son is Pawan and Manasa. They were at 9th class. And Manasa is 5th class. I used to play them sometime along with them. So now they were grown up. They have joined in the multinational company, and Manasa is studying. I think this now B Pharmacy first year, and also Pawan also grown up, recently married. So I am very happy. Now in that aspects, I never got any difficulty while doing my PhD work. Always I felt very happy after seeing that all of my students and colleagues and respected teachers told about him. Same thing happened in my case. I never, when I visited to his house, after seeing the Sir and Madam and the children, I forget about my tiredness and all those things. I got myself with a freshness, and we have started the work, and we have completed the work within, I think, nearly 1 year. I went to his house and I worked out that completely my PhD thesis. So I feel always like elderly brother. Always I'm moving around him, and always I will ask whatever I have some problems in and outside of the department or whatever it may be. So Sir never got angry on me. He used to tell always good words about me, how to do, how to work, how to not work, all those things. So thank you, Sir, for giving all guidance to me to come up this stage. So all of you know that behind the success of Anand Babu Sir, all of you know that who is that behind the success? Madam. Say, Madam, because I was associated with the Sir nearly that is 10-15 years. Madam also never had any angry. You see, sir, always he supported all whatever when we are doing the work, and madam always encouraged us to do whatever the work, the PhD work, whatever it may be. I am very thankful to madam. You rendered me a lot of support to me complete my work. So success behind always a madam is there. Half of the success go to the madam, and that is. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Given opportunity to me, sir.
Thank you very much. Now, actual program starts. Felicitation to Professor L. Anand Babu. By departments, words or bad words or everything, we have to speak on that. Then we will allow him to leave the department. Anybody else from teaching faculty? Okay. Students? Students? Research scholars?
Professor Govardhan, Professor Boljuti, Professor Chandrakishna Reddy, Professor Rangappa, from office staff, Venugopal, sir. Oh, sorry, Venugopal, not Venugopal. Venu. Parthanavi, Kishan, Dr. Kiran from Technology. Nagaraju from Engineering College. Balaswamy from Nizam College. Dr. Srivastava, scientist from DRDO. Nagarajan, thank you. Dr. Srivastava. Dr. Srivastava from DRDO. Balaswamy. Dr. Asik Naik. Asik Naik. Rajendra, Dr. Rajendra. And finally, Organizing Secretary Dr. M. Kishan. Dr. M. Kishan. Dr. M. Kishan. And from his guru, student. Professor Kishan Rao Sahar, Registrar of Osman University.
Oh, my dear.
Thank you very much, sir. Now, family members.
Professor Kishan Rao Garu, Registrar, Professor S.V. Shashikar Rao Garu, my Guru, Professor Shankar, Head Department of Mathematics, Professor Kishan, Organizing Secretary, Professor Rangama, Chairman Board of Studies in Mathematics, Professor Muhammad Moizuddin, Chairman Board of Studies in Computer Science, and my better off, she's on dais, and dignitaries of the dais, Professor Ramurthy Garu, Professor Gopal Rao Garu, Professor Hargopal, Dr. Shivaya, Professor Lakshmanga Garu, Sri Ram Reddy Garu, Professor Masoon Rao Garu, Govardhan Garu. My one-day conference in honor of superannuation of superannuation. Many spoke good words about me. I don't know whether I deserve it or not. And all of you said that I am soft-spoken, very calm going, no angry. If you ask me my family members, you will come to know what I am. So I believe I am not that soft as you feel. This, I believe sometimes even my wife says. So I want to be free and frank about my life's journey. So right from childhood, I had my father happens to be Ayurvedic practitioner, and also Pantulu, Purohit of 4 or 5 villages close by Hyderabad city, that is Podatur, Maharajpet, and so on, very close to Shankarpalli. So with 3 brothers and 1 sister, we started our journey life and settled at Shankarpalli and completed school education partly in village, partly in Hyderabad, and went back to village, and then PUC at Vikarabad College, and also BSc at Vikarabad College. At the time, my teacher, and I cannot forget my school level, high school level teachers. Still I remember their names. Really, I am thankful to them. And subsequently, when I joined PUC at Vikarabad College, Professor Lajpat Rai was principal there. He happens to teach mathematics. So he has shown a lot of interest in making us to sit and do some exercise. Even Sundays we used to go to college from Shankarpalli to Vikarabad, and he used to help us. And just not this evening itself, I came to know that Professor Lajpat Rai is not well. He is in hospital. So I don't know. Just Professor Shankar told me about this. It's very bad. And after completion of my BSc, in BSc, my guru happens to be Professor Dr. Keshav Rao, son of eminent personality, Professor K. Raghavendra Rao. And then I joined MSc. Here my teachers are Professor Afzal Ahmad Siddiqui, Professor KSN Dwaraka, Professor Bhaskar Rao Garu. They're all, and Professor Tika Rao, and Pattabhiraman, Professor K.S. and I believe I already told, and also part-time teacher is Mrs. Professor Sita Lakshmi. She, after completion of my MSc, after completion of BSc, I was free for 2 years. I was looking for a job because at the time our financial position was so bad, unable to maintain. And subsequently, when I was in first year MSc, my father expired. That shock to me. Really, we were in difficulties. I was not knowing that I am going to complete my MSc, because my father, only person who is to earn our livelihood, and we 4 brothers, 1 sister, and he left all of us and gone. And since then we struggled, my brothers, sister, everybody, including my mother. We struggled a lot to come up to this stage. And in second year MSc, I thought of discontinuing. One of my classmates, one of my friends who was studying BCom from my village, same village. By the time when I was in second year MSc, he was in a government job. He said, don't discontinue. He is Mr. Prabhakar Reddy. Unfortunately, he is no more. So I lost a great friend who helped me. Even today also, I remember him. After that, we started our journey, completed MSc, and in 77, I was fortunate to have my teacher as Professor Sheshagiri Rao. Really, that 2 years of stay as a JRF in the Department of Geophysics under the supervision of Professor Sheshagiri Rao Garu changed entire life. That is a turning point, definitely I can say. Sir, I cannot forget you in my life. And Professor N.L. Mohan also helped me in all aspects. And Professor Sheshagiri Rao sir used to take me to his residence and go through the work what I have done, and giving food also at home. This happened. And also Professor Mohan. Really, I should thank him. During summer vacation, his family members were away from Hyderabad. I stayed for 1 month in his house, quarters. And we used to sit together and solve the problems and discuss. The next day we used to see it to Professor Sheshagiri Rao Garu for sir's approval. And finally I have completed my work, and all papers are published in international journal, that is Geophysics, and other this one like this. So in my lifetime, really my teacher, Guruji, well-wisher, helped me a lot. And while living for Libya also, he was very much worried about me. He told me, Anand Babu, I am very much worried about you, your job only. Once you settle, I'll be very happy. Still I remember those words, and all the time I always remembering whatever words taken me. And one more thing, Sarah, while giving a talk, he said, I might have hurt Anand Babu. No, sir, you never hurt me. Really, I used to derive pleasure when I used to sit with you. Even after retirement also, I visited several times to your house. I used to feel very happy to be with you. You are knowing about a lot of things. So, Professor Sheshagiri Rao is is nothing but a bank of knowledge, not only in mathematics. You can consider any topic, politics, or any other topic, socio-economic problems. All the time he thinks of the problems which are related to humankind. I believe, sir, you are planning to write a book on ocean loss. So that is one greatness. Still, my teacher is not free. He always try to write something, read something. But this habit I could not get it from my Guruji. Nowadays I have become less. I am not much reading much. So I would like to cultivate the habit of reading. Earlier I used to read a lot. In between it was reduced. And now I decided to read once again. And now coming to joining of Department of Mathematics, Usmania University, Professor T. K. Rao, Professor Narayan Rao was there, and first appointment at Engineering College was given by Madam Professor Vanaja Iyengar. For 1 month I was at Engineering College. From there, because why I was there at one, it was only for 1 month's assignment. From there I was shifted to Saifabad College. For 11 months I was there, and I got temporary appointment against a leave vacancy. For 11 months I worked, and one fine morning I received a letter from administrative building stating that you are going to be terminated. That is on Teachers' Day, 5th September. Really, I was shocked. That happens to Teachers' Day. So, if I am right, it is in the month of September 5th, 1982. And when I was in Saifabad College, I used to go to a sweet shop, Maharaja Sweet Center. Every afternoon I used to have milk, a cup of milk there. And at the same time, Professor Purushottam used to come from JNTU. And every day we used to have discussion. And on the day also he came. As usual, we used to discuss, and I said, how are you, Anand Babu? So I said, today I received a circular, termination letter. Are you prepared to join JNTU? All this happened in your absence, sir. So, as I readily accepted, so immediately he came with a paper and asked me to write a letter. And Professor Purushottam took me to Lakshman Rao, then principal of that college. And immediately he gave orders, and 8 hours per week. 3 months I worked at JNTU, along with part-time work at Saifabad. And then, in the month of December, I got selected as lecturer at AB College. For 3 years I was there, and during 85, I completed my PhD. I was awarded PhD in 85, and in the month of December 85, I once again entered into service of Usmania University. And for 4 years, I worked at almost 4 years. I worked at Nizam College, and during Ramakant's regime, I was shifted here to the department. Right from 1989 till today evening, I was on the rolls of Department of Mathematics, Usmania University. So that is my journey. During my stay at department, all heads are very cooperative, helpful, and some differences were there. Of course, I used to ignore. And some of the difference I used to take it on heart. And subsequently, I started teaching computer papers also, because the purpose of coming to department was to teach computer science papers. So they assigned 3 papers. So myself, Professor Moizuddin, and Ramanamurthy, we 3 were targeted to handle computer science papers. We successfully taken up new papers such as operating systems, data structures, computer organization. These were the papers. And of course, programming language. So I have learned Proton language, BASIC, COBOL, Pascal. There was no difficulty in learning C language or C++, subsequently OOPS. So I taught. I don't know whether my teaching was up to students' expectation or not. But one thing I can say, if not a good teacher, definitely I'm not a bad teacher. That much. That satisfaction I used to have in classroom. So I would like to take this opportunity to thank all my teachers, my fellow teachers who helped me directly, indirectly in completing my task without any difficulty. Really, this is a unforgettable day, because so much of affection shown by my students and my fellow teachers under the guidance of dynamic young head Professor Shankar. I should thank one and all. Especially, I cannot forget N. Kishan, Govardhan, because whenever I used to have some difficulties in mathematics, pure mathematics, I used to contact Govardhan, Rangama, and other mathematics teachers. So one thing to shift towards fluid dynamics is one way. Shankar is a cause. Because when students' thesis were sent back for revision in supervisor's absence. So I was, at that time I was co-supervisor in his absence, the supervisor's absence. So I had taken a lot of pains with the help of Kishan, and then I started learning the heat mass transfer. So of course I am not perfect, I will say definitely. However, I can do some problems in that way. So that helped me, and I would like to thank Professor Lakshmi Bangagaru for saying some excellent words about me, and she has seen me in the form of brother. Really, I am very happy, and I cannot forget Dr. Professor Ramamurthy Garu, Gopal Rao Garu, and Haragopal. So right from 1980 onwards, Gopal Rao happens to be my friend. So we used to meet closely. And Professor Haragopal. So really, I cannot forget his timely suggestions as far as the activities, that is academic activities are concerned, and other related activities also. So definitely I am missing you all. However, I will be coming to department now and then, we can meet. And I thank Ramnath from Geophysics department who helped us in promoting maths with computer science. He taught me several papers. We cannot forget them, such a type of teachers. He's from Geophysics department. I thank all my colleagues all my friends, relatives, all my students, and now I want to reply to our Sheikh Saidul's question. So he asked me to where you buy these shirts or this. So I buy in a normal shop. So you come, I will take you, I will so whichever you want. And one more thing, I forgotten Moizuddin, that Professor Moizuddin. I cannot forget. He's a very enterprising personality, and he's very strict, and he's sincere, and very strict also. So somehow now he could hello. Fully. So no, at that I want. So for the past several years, we are requesting him to present a Sherwani. Myself and Professor Harugopal. We said, otherwise show the shop where we can get Sherwani without parishan. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much. Really, right from 1975, I am with him or he is with me every day, taking up some issues along with Professor Harugopal. So definitely we cannot forget the days right from Nizam College till today. So really I should thank Professor Moizuddin for his cooperation and all other things. Now finally I thank the organizers and non-teaching staff.
Yes.
Yeah, sir. He's
another.
And non-teaching staff, I would like to thank non-teaching staff, Venukumar, Chari, and Bilia, Janaki, Shashikala, and Patsali. If I left other two gentlemen, if I left somebody, kindly excuse me. I thank one and all, and my special thanks are Professor Kishan Rao Garu. He spoke good words about me, so I cannot forget the lines what he said, sir. I once again thank you, and really I should say thanks to my teacher, Professor S.V. Shashikara Garu, for staying here and patiently right from 4 p.m. onwards. So in our inauguration we have written it as 4 o'clock. Sir came exactly at 2 minutes to 4. So I should really, sorry sir.
Why?
Made you to stay. Okay, so thank you very much sir, thank you. Thank you very much, thank you. Sir, I am happy that whenever we call sir, readily accepted because of the affection towards mathematics department what he has. So once again I thank you all. So physically I may be not here in the department, but outside the campus I will be roaming here and there. So most likely alternate days till all my settlements are over, I will be coming daily, sir, because I have to come. Because, huh?
With the permission of Shankar?
No, no, because I have to get my salary, this month's salary. No salary. So I will be coming and I will be visiting Shankar sir and maybe troubling you, sir. So
No trouble. Every time we are welcome to you.
okay, thank you
We are very
very
happy
much.
that you are with us.
Thank you one and all. Thank you all the
Research scholars.
research scholars who cooperated with me and all during my stay or in the office as chairman board of studies. And I made the harsh towards some of the students because of some problems. So ignore them. ignore all bad qualities from me, and I hope I wish the students and research scholars all the best in their future endeavor. I thank one and all. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Professor L. Anand Babu. We always wish you be in the department anytime, 24 hours. Now, may I request Madam Anand Babu, sir, what are the secrets of keeping Professor L. Anand Babu young and dynamic? Please give some remarks on this.
I have forgotten. Record thanks to my wife. Sorry, extremely sorry. So, I am apologizing before all the gatherings. So, she cooperated me. I would like to tell you one thing, an important issue. When my daughter born, when she was 2 years old, she left. Excellent job. She was manager at HMT, drawing more than what is to draw at that time. Really, without her sacrifice, I would have not been here. Definitely, I should respect her sentiments. Really, I am thankful to her throughout my life. Oh, thank you very much.
So it is turn to the madam. Please, 1 minute. Just wish him otherwise. Okay, right. Thank you very much. Before going to further program, from the beginning, from the morning to till today, till now, everybody is waiting for the presentation of their certificates. Before presenting the certificates, I want the feedback about the conference. If anybody says about, is very happy. If anybody is there, please, 1 minute. Otherwise, I will move to. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much for accepting. Finally, certificate distribution. Certificate distribution, read.
Present a memo to our head of the department, Professor Shankar.